We're doing the ML Mercedes Benz, doing the front fog light. Alright, basically you come to the front of the bumper. There's two notches. Notch right here, and notch right there. Alright, so basically you want to take a small screwdriver, push it in that notch there, and bring the whole lens forward just enough. But you're going to need both hands because you need to do it on the other side as well. As you can see what I'm doing, just like that. And you want to pop off this cover here. Same thing, other notch right here. Just push it in and bring it out. You're going to need your other hand to pull the cover while you're doing that. Alright, so once you get them both popped, that's it. Put this to the side. Now inside there, not sure if you guys can see that, but there's some torque bits. They are T25 Torques, 4 of them, T25. Just remove those 4 now and take the whole assembly out. So basically just like this, all the way around, all 4. Alright, so once you remove all 4, your whole assembly will come out. This plug here, you're just going to want to lift up on that tab on both sides, and this will unplug your harness. Alright, so next thing you want to do, you basically just pull back on this rubber boot here, and that'll expose your light bulb. Alright, so inside here, you just want to take note of that little piece of the bulb there, which way it's turned, so you'll know exactly how your harness needs to plug back in for negative and positive. That little notch right there. Now we can go ahead and unplug this. Basically just pulls off, just like that. Put that to the side. Now you have this clip in here. They're just gonna squeeze in and kind of push down, squeeze in and unlatch. Give me 1 second. Alright, so you push down, just like that, push down and unlock it. Alright, so once you push down and unlock, just pull the tab back. Now you can remove your bulb. Put that to the side, install your new bulb, and that's the little piece I was talking about right there. We are upgrading our bulbs, so you want to put that notch back in there like I said. Alright, so once it's in, basically you're just gonna push those clips back in the hook, just like that. Lock the bulb in place, reinstall your harness, negative and positive, just push them back on. Alright, our bulb's plugged back in. You can put back on the rubber cover. Well, you want to test this before you completely install the assembly. Alright, so you take it back to the car. Just want to plug that harness back in. Really can only go one way. Plug it back into your main harness. Alright, so you just want to turn it on and make sure it's working. Now we're going to reinstall all 4 T25 Torques. Alright, so when you go to install the assembly, there's a part number on top, an adjuster at the bottom. So you want it to go in this way like that. And we're going to reinstall the 4 T25s now. Alright, the T25s are in and installed. Now you want to put the bezel back on. This is going to go to the top, and then the 2 notches are going to go into those 2 slots. So basically, just line them up, push it in, make sure it's secure. And that's the Mercedes-Benz ML fog light replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.